Welcome guys to Living Life with Rick and Jerry. Today we have a something for the kids, maybe for Christmas? Maybe? Anyways guys, finally I got my hands on the new Lego Super Mario set. It's a collaboration with Nintendo that actually features a little Mario in here that has a screen on it, and it actually keeps your score of, of what you're doing within the Lego game. You can download a special app that connects directly to the Mario, so that way you can keep track of your scores, keep track of your playset, and it's a very nifty little set that I haven't seen before. This is a very unique item that has been out, and I've been wanting to get my hands on it, but scalpers and all these bad people out there, they buy these up, and I finally actually went to, of all places, a Walmart, and I found one. They actually had a bunch in stock, so I'm pretty sure they just got these in. But yeah, scalpers have been purchasing these like crazy, and they have been buying them up and marking them up to over $100+, which is ridiculous. But anyways, we're gonna unbox this right now, and me and my son, we're gonna set it up. And again, for the parents, well, this is strictly for parents, but for the parents, if you do want to get one of these sets for your kids for Christmas, this is gonna be a high-ticket item. I'm gonna be putting a link in the description for Amazon. You can order it, and then they'll ship it to you as soon as they get it. I think this is really neat for even adults and kids. Let's open it up, and we'll see what's inside. Alright guys, so here's the box before we open it up. So yeah, this is, I think, for what, $59.99, Jerre?
Yep.
So $59.99. You can get it at Walmart. You can get it on Amazon. Preferably get it on Amazon. That way you don't have nobody messing with it. When we were at Walmart, we're actually noticing that a lot of them were kind of messed with, like they were trying to open it. So, it's Walmart. What do you expect? And they don't have them locked up. I would think they would have them locked up, but they don't. Alrighty. Taking off the stickers. We got the little numbers here. It says 1, 2. So, let's open 1, 2, and here we go. I'm actually going to keep the box. It's a real dude. This is a lot of Lego pieces.
Yep.
I hope, and I'm assuming this is probably Mario here. And you know what? This doesn't come with batteries. Can you believe that? You would think that for a $60 toy, you would get some some AAA batteries. But yeah, literally on the box it says batteries required, not included, for 60 bucks. And they didn't cost them 60 bucks to make these. Alright, so here we go. It has a little quick start guide. It goes, it just shows you exactly how to assemble it, how to assemble Mario and whatnot. Nice. It shows you how to build the actual playset. It's real nice. You will have to download the app, because the app is the one that shows you how to build the actual Lego Mario. So yeah, you're gonna have to download the app. Alright, so let me do that. Alrighty, so we've already downloaded the app, Lego Super Mario. Can you guys see that? So you download the app, we're gonna go through the little steps, and we're gonna assemble it right here, right in front of you guys, and we'll speed it up. We'll speed up the process. Alright, so we're gonna open up the main star of the show here.
Yeah.
And I guess it's Lego Mario. And here he is, guys. Lego Mario. Can you see his happy little peppy face? Huh? Can you see his happy little peppy face? Alright. So we got Mario. He looks kind of scary because he doesn't have eyes right now. But we're gonna be putting the batteries in right now. So, oh man, we're gonna need a screwdriver. Alrighty, so I got my little screwdriver here. We're gonna open up this baby. And again, it's for adults and kids. Obviously, if you need a screwdriver, it's more for adults. Yeah. So here we go. You're gonna add your little batteries in there. So once you add your batteries, we're gonna put our little lid back on for Mario.
See how it says.
Alright. And there you go. So now let's turn it on. Hit the little power button. Hey! So here's an up-close shot of Mario. Isn't he so cute? He makes all these little noises.
See you later.
See you later.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set him up towards the app. It says hit the power button, and then get the app, and yeah. There we go. It's that easy. Hooked it up within a second. And according to this, you gotta update the Mario. So, wow. That's pretty high tech, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? It's gonna be, it's gonna take forever. Because we got we got number 1, which is this one, which is I'm assuming this is just Mario's stuff because his little buttons are here. And then we got number 2, which we gotta open. And then
Number 3.
3.
Number 4.
Which one's number 4? This one, number 4, 5, and this one doesn't have a number. But you can tell this one has Mario's shoes and stuff, so we'll open up this one as well. Alright guys, so the update has been successful. Now what? What do we do? Uh-oh. So we got a little action going on right here. You guys can't see, but... Alright, so let's build Mario. It tells you what to do. Alright, so let's open this one up.
Yep.
Open number 1.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and set it up for you guys. We're going to build it. We're going to do a little time lapse so we can do this quicker because this is going to take forever. Alrighty guys, so this is kind of the end product here of the Lego Mario set. As you can see, it's very beautiful, very colorful, nice, beautiful characters. We got Bowser Jr. right in the middle of it. So this is a very nice playset. It's a very nice playset you can get your kids or even for yourself, like just to have fun if in case you're a Mario fan. Very nice playset. Can you put Mario on here?
Mm-hmm.
Show them how you do your level. So start the level. There you go. Mario starts his level. And then stomp on him. Flip him over. Flip him over. Alright, keep going on the level. Now show Mario's face. Alright, keep going. So how do you like Mario?
Good.
Like it?
Yeah.
So yeah, it took me about what?
Like 10.
30 minutes or so to build it, or 40 minutes. It's a very nice playset. Again, it's easy to, you can construct your levels however you want. So you can make it like a long series of level, or you can make it even comes with like a cloud so Mario can float in the air. It's a really neat little product. I give props to Nintendo and Lego for actually making a really neat product that I haven't seen in the market yet. I'm trying to get a good focus on Mario, but it's real difficult with my camera. There we go. He's real nice. Real nice. There's the back of him. The little Bluetooth, the little power symbol and the Bluetooth. He's very tired. So it's a very neat little toy. I'm going to be putting a link in the description, so in case you're a fan of Mario, or you know you're looking for something for your kid for this Christmas, you can hit up Amazon and order it for your kids. Again, very neat product. I'll give it a, what do we give it, Jerre?
A thumbs up. Yeah.
We'll give it a double thumbs up for me and Jerre and Norman. Or triple thumbs up. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, thumbs it up. Guys, I think this is super neat for your kids or for yourself, just to put up as a display, even just as a display, right, Jerre?
Yeah.
This is a really nice Lego set. Alrighty guys, so I hope you guys liked it. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.